Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, April 11th, 2016. The U.S. stock market is closed. Well, I called the Dow up for today, and it went down. It was, I'll tell you, what's a little bit weird is it absolutely repeated the pattern that we had on Friday with this big up move at the beginning of the day and then a failure, and it did the same thing today. If anything, the up move at the beginning of the day was even more intense and the failure just a little quicker. Not about the same though. And tried to rally, bounce off our resistance line here, and then it really cut through the last hour and a half, and that thing closed right on its low, I believe. So I have to call the Dow down for tomorrow, because I call it down, it'll probably go up. I'm really bad on these calls lately. Nevertheless, I'm calling the Dow down for tomorrow. This big up move at the beginning helped us in getting out of our positions from Friday. We were holding a negative almost $10,000 in open trade from Friday, and when we got out of that, we were only negative 2,800. So we definitely cut our losses because of this big move. The problem is this is the deadly pattern again. It wasn't quite as deadly as it has been sometimes today. We got into 7 positions, 3 are positive, 4 are negative, and we are carrying negative $3,000 going into tomorrow. So, that's not horrible. I mean, this kind of pattern can really destroy us sometimes, but it wasn't too bad today, but yet, it wasn't a good day. It was just, what we got out of was negative. What we got into is also negative. Hey, we're getting overdue for another big up day here, and I'm expecting it's going to come. I looking here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days here of this kind of consolidation pattern around our red line resistance. And even though I'm calling it down for tomorrow, I'm still betting that this thing is going to resolve itself to the upside, and it's going to certainly take out that high over there and maybe go a lot higher. Still a bull market, but it's been in a sideways pattern here for nearly a week, so we're looking to break out of that. Anyway, I don't have too much here to show you. I'll show you the worst thing we had. This is Bazoon. I am considering throwing this out of the portfolio because it's just getting a little thin, and it has really been trading badly lately, and today was no exception. It gaps up, does a little run here. We managed to buy absolutely the high tick of the day. As soon as we get in, the thing fails, and we are holding negative about $3,000 in Bazoon. The only thing we had to shout about today was in Sibanye Gold, and we got a pretty decent gap up this morning in Sibanye. We bought it. We buy the gaps. It just kept going, closing almost on its high, and we are holding $2,500 in positive open trade in Sibanye Gold. So that looks real good, but that's really the only thing to talk about today. Anyway, that's the way it went on a Monday. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.